Scene script. Are you tired of seeing scratches on your precious car? Scratches are the bane of every car owner's existence. They're like battle scars, each telling a tale of shopping carts gone rogue, wayward bicycles, or the dreaded car park mishap. The frustration is real, not just because they're unsightly, but because they can significantly reduce the value of your vehicle. Imagine, you've spent a great deal of time and money maintaining your car, ensuring it runs smoothly, and then a minor scratch comes along and suddenly all that effort feels wasted. Or picture this. You're about to sell your car, but the prospective buyer is turned off by the visible scratches and dents, leading to a substantial drop in the car's resale value. The aesthetic appeal of a car is as important as its performance, and scratches can mar this beauty. But what if I told you a world without car scratches is no longer just a dream? Enter the era of self-healing cars. Picture this, a vehicle with a skin that can heal itself just like a living organism. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about cars that can repair their own scratches. Imagine your car gets a scratch. Rather than rushing to the repair shop, your car would simply start to mend itself. This isn't a fantasy or a plot from a futuristic movie. It's a reality thanks to the innovation and advances in material science. So, how do these self-healing cars work? They are armed with a revolutionary technology that incorporates microcapsules filled with healing agents into the paint. When a scratch occurs, these microcapsules break, releasing the healing agents which then blend with the paint, repairing the damage. No more worrying about minor scratches or the costs of fixing them. Self-healing cars are here to turn the tide in vehicle maintenance. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's not. Are you wondering how these cars manage to heal?